You know what caught my attention? This new tool called claude-code-templates. It's like a Swiss Army knife for developers.
Wait, seriously. What exactly does it do that's so special?
Well, it's packed with ready-to-use configurations for AI agents. Think custom commands, hooks, and project templates.
That's super interesting. So developers can just plug and play. What kind of components are we talking about?
Exactly, they have agents for specific tasks like security auditing or React performance optimization.
Wow, that sounds handy. But are these agents really effective? I mean, how reliable are they in practice?
Good question. They claim to be tailored for specific domains, but I wonder if they can handle edge cases.
Right? That makes me think about the limitations. What if an agent encounters something it wasn't trained on?
Totally, plus while the commands like generate tests sound cool, how customizable are they?
Exactly. Customizability is key. If they can't be tailored to fit unique projects, how useful are they really?
And then there are the MCPs or external service integrations. They're supposed to work with platforms like GitHub and Oz.
That's intriguing, but do we know how well they actually integrate? Sometimes these things can be a hassle.
I get that skepticism. Integration is often where the rubber meets the road. It could be a pain if it's not seamless.
Exactly. And what about data privacy? If these tools are handling sensitive information, how secure are they?
Definitely a concern. They need to ensure strong security measures are in place, especially for sensitive projects.
There's also the whole aspect of learning curves. Are these templates user-friendly enough for beginners?
Good point. It's great to have all these tools, but if they're too complex, beginners might feel overwhelmed.
Right? And if they're not intuitive, it might defeat the purpose of speeding up the development process.
And let's not forget the documentation. Is it comprehensive enough to guide users through?
Exactly. Solid documentation can make or break the user experience. It's a critical factor.
So if we put all this together, these templates could be a game changer or a mixed bag depending on execution.
Right? It's like they have the potential to revolutionize workflows, but only if they deliver on their promises.
What if they could also provide analytics to monitor performance? That could really enhance usability.
Oh, that would be huge. Real-time feedback could help developers make adjustments on the fly.
Exactly, it would also allow teams to spot issues before they escalate, which is a win.
But wait, how would they ensure the analytics are accurate? That's another layer of complexity.
True, if the analytics aren't reliable, it could mislead users instead of helping them.
And let's talk about community support. If users encounter issues, is there an active community to help?
That's vital. An engaged community can make a huge difference in troubleshooting and sharing best practices.
And what about contributions? Can users add their own templates or agents easily?
Yes, they actually encourage contributions, which could lead to a diverse array of tools.
That's promising. A growing library could make it even more valuable over time.
But it also raises the question of quality control. How do they ensure new contributions meet standards?
Exactly. Without proper vetting, the quality could become inconsistent, which is a risk.
So the potential is there, but the execution will be key. It's a fine balance.
Absolutely. I'm curious to see how developers respond to these templates in the wild.
Right? It'll be interesting to watch how this evolves and the impact it has on development workflows.
For sure, it's like we're at the cusp of a new era in AI-assisted development.
Totally, and it raises questions about the future of coding itself. Are we moving toward a no-code world?
Wow, that's a thought. If tools like this become mainstream, what does that mean for traditional coding skills?
Exactly, it's a fascinating crossroads we're at. I wonder how education will adapt.
Right? Well, schools focus more on using these tools rather than teaching traditional coding.
That opens a whole new discussion on the value of foundational skills in a rapidly changing tech landscape.
Definitely, I'm excited to see how all of this unfolds. It's an intriguing time for tech.